It's about love. And our case started from a point of love, and that point of commitment and of fighting for each other.
Jim Obergefell is the primary plaintiff in the marriage equality case before the U.S. Supreme Court, Obergefell versus Hodges. Before being thrusted into the spotlight, Jim and his husband John lived a quiet, happy life in Cincinnati, Ohio. But like many same-sex couples on island, they had to leave their home to wed.
As you know, my husband passed away. It'll be 2 years in October, and we were fortunate enough to be able to marry in Maryland. And we decided to file suit against the state of Ohio to have our marriage recognized on John's death certificate.
What began as a very personal issue has become a battle for equal rights.
It's really an honor for me to be here to help fight this battle and to stand up with Loretta and Kathleen in their fight to be able to marry. And as David said, I'll echo his thoughts. You can't have love without equality. And that's all I'm asking for. That's all anyone in this fight for marriage equality is asking for.
Kathleen Aguero and Loretta Pangilinan were denied the opportunity to apply for a marriage license application at the Department of Public Health. Obergefell says that marriage licenses are issued by state governments, and that represents a civil right.
So while I can understand and appreciate that some people believe marriage is between a man and a woman, that is coming from a religious point of view, and marriage is not a religious institution. Marriage does not require a religious ceremony. Marriage requires a state-issued license.
We are weeks away from the U.S. Supreme Court's decision on whether same-sex couples have the right to marry and whether their out-of-state marriages should be recognized throughout the United States. Meanwhile, here on the home front, Kathleen Aguero and Loretta Pangilinan's case is set to be heard on June 5th. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Jolene Tovis.